Grilling to perfection, mastering the art of cooking. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a delicious topic that's sure to spice up your English vocabulary and cooking skills alike. We're talking about what it means to grill to perfection. Whether you're a language learner or a culinary enthusiast, understanding this phrase will not only help you navigate English menus with ease but also enhance your cooking dialogue. So, let's get started. Grill to perfection is a phrase that combines two important concepts. Firstly, grill refers to a method of cooking food over direct heat, usually on a metal grate above charcoal, gas, or electric heat sources. This method imparts a distinctive charred flavor and appealing grill marks on the food. Secondly, the term to perfection suggests achieving the ideal state of cooking where the food is considered to be at its best in terms of flavor, texture, and appearance. So, when someone says they grill to perfection, they mean they cook the food on the grill just right, ensuring it is exactly as it should be, not overcooked or undercooked, but with the perfect balance of juiciness, flavor, and grill marks. Grilling to perfection is not just about the end result, it's about the skill and precision involved in cooking. This phrase is often used in restaurant menus and cooking shows to describe dishes that have been expertly prepared using a grill. Recipes and cooking guides to instruct readers on achieving the best possible outcome when grilling. Everyday conversation among food enthusiasts discussing their cooking techniques or favorite meals. Understanding this phrase can enrich your English vocabulary, making you more confident in discussing culinary topics, following English recipes, or ordering food at restaurants. Achieving that perfect grill requires a bit of know-how. Here are some tips to help you get there. 1. Preheat your grill to ensure it reaches the right temperature before you start cooking. 2. Clean the grill grates before and after grilling to prevent sticking and ensure even cooking. 3. Use a meat thermometer to check for doneness, ensuring your food is grilled to perfection without having to cut into it and lose juices. 4. Let the food rest after grilling. This allows the juices to redistribute, ensuring your meat is juicy and flavorful. We hope this video has illuminated the delicious world of grilling to perfection for you. Remember, this phrase is not just about cooking. It's about achieving excellence in what you do, whether it's preparing a meal or mastering the English language. Keep practicing, and don't be afraid to experiment on the grill and with your English skills. Until next time, happy grilling and learning!